Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the seat and pivot so your knees track with the machine hinge. This prevents torque on the joint. Once done, choose a light warm-up load, 3 to 5 kg, and test range of motion with controlled openings. Make sure your feet point forward and your spine is neutral. Brace your core and hold the handles. Begin with 8-12 slow, focused reps to establish timing and muscle connection before increasing load. You now progress to working sets using a controlled tempo, 2 seconds to open, brief pause, 2 seconds to close, to maximize muscle tension. Make sure to avoid locking your knees at the end range and keep a half to 1 second pause when muscles are fully shortened. That improves neuromuscular control. Once you feel fatigue, stop before form breaks. Also remember to breathe. Exhale as you adduct, inhale as you return, and keep your chest up for consistent mechanics. You finish by performing a light cool-down or gentle hip adductor stretch for 30 to 60 seconds to reduce stiffness. Once done, log your weight and reps so you can increase load by 1 to 2 kg only when 15 reps feel manageable with good form. If you experience sharp or joint pain, stop immediately, reduce resistance, recheck seat alignment and knee pivot, and consult a trainer or physiotherapist before returning to avoid injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.